Welcome to the new KSB Service Center in Wiesmoor, your partner for excellent service in wind energy, onshore and offshore. Right by your side with everything you need. Fast, competent, reliable, all from a single source. At Wiesmoor, we combine our full range of service expertise for KSB products and third-party equipment. From planning to spare parts logistics to on-site deployment, we offer comprehensive service solutions. Our inventory is designed for speed. Original parts and commonly used components are readily available. We offer customized spare part kits and reverse engineering for unavailable components, so you can avoid unnecessary downtime. Our international field service team is ready to respond and specially trained for offshore operations. With close proximity to the port of Emden, we ensure fast deployment in critical situations. From installation planning to commissioning and on-site support, our experts are with you from day one. We support your plant engineers with in-depth technical expertise, clear recommendations and system knowledge for efficient operations and well-informed decisions. Through targeted training, we make sure your teams have the know-how they need for maximum reliability and performance. Our maintenance strategy is structured and transparent. Data collection, inspection, evaluation, repair, with full digital documentation and clear communication. Repairs, overhauls and upgrades. We extend the service life of your pumps, even for non-KSB equipment. Reliable, cost-effective, sustainable. Our engineering team supports you with new system designs, expansions or retrofit of existing systems, providing technical consulting and practical solutions. The KSB Service Center Wiesmoor, your new center of excellence for maintenance, technology and long-term value. Regionally rooted, internationally capable, all from one trusted source.